All right, so in the second part of the video series, we're going to start working on the engine room doors. And basically in the grills, here's where basically start filling in kind of measure out. This is an inch and an inch. Then here's the radiator grill. Put it in place. And 5722 has sort of the earlier mesh kind of radiator grill, which means it has the vertical and horizontal lines. The more you kind of spot details like that, you know, there's different series of engines and where it starts and stops. You know, what Locomotive has early grills and late grills. That adds a lot of the detail to your drawings. And the doors here. Maybe make that one up. Whoa. There we go. Okay. And then put this grill here. Right, and then now we can put the air filter. And this engine has non-dynamic brakes, so There we go. Okay, and then why don't we put the battery box? Kind of goes to about right there. The hatches. And there's luves right here. And speaking of details, here's a detail that you'll kind of notice. Grand Trunk Western, like a lot of railroads in colder country. EJ&E is a railroad. DM&IR. This has a all-weather cab window versus a sunshade. It's kind of a detailed spot. When you put details like that in, it's kind of like put the number board in here. Put the rear number board. Then we can actually, why don't we put the frame? Because we're getting ready to put the trucks in the next episode of this. Put this truck, this frame there. And we can actually put, why don't we put the steps? Pretty much the rest of the details we can fill in after we have drawn the trucks. All right.